Hey guys, this is Uzafa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. When I asked someone, "Are you breathing?" he or she replied, "Yes, I am breathing actually." We are all breathing. But what is actually breathing? Actual breathing involves from the base of spine. This is the actual breathing. This is the breathing which helps us to focus, to be more aware, to be more conscious of what is happening. It works on our 7 base chakras. These are our energy centers through which this breathing helps us. Normal breathing we do always, but when we are into depression, anxiety, or fear, our breathing becomes shallow. It is not deep. So when you want to become silent, focus, and have more concentration, your breathing must be deep, just like so. In that way, when you breathe properly, you are actually living properly. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can become more confident, right? Generally, by practicing this simple stuff on our day-to-day basis. For example, if you are looking for something which you are having fear to talk about, what you can do, you can select a particular topic. For example, if I am selecting my particular topic as education, then you need to frame that education into 2 to 3 sentences, like education system. Okay, our education system is not what we used to have before. It has changed. What are the changes and all that? You can involve that and prepare a short note of about 1 minute, and then after that you can look for the improvement. Is there any improvement? In that way, for first 3 minutes you will be focusing on making the content. First, focus on breathing, improving your physiology, your state of energy, your mind, your concentration. That is breathing. Next comes thinking about the ideas of particular topic and framing it into one sentence, and after that look for improvement for another 1 minute. So almost 5 minutes you are spending on making the content. Next, the delivery. Now after you make the content, make it deliver through as your message. You can do that by making videos, short video for about 2 minutes, and see that. Don't worry if you are having any trouble, or if you are having some problems delivering, or if your voice sucks, then also you need to make that content for about 2 minutes. And after that you have spent 7 minutes on making that content. Now you watch your videos which you have made the content on it. Watch how you can improve more, practice more, and do that on consistent basis. Now what you will improve on that, your brain will become more active. You will be having more vocabulary. You will get more concentration, more focus. You will get more self-confidence. Your thinking power will improve. Your ideas will improve. Your fear of public speaking will get rid of. So there are a lot of benefits in doing this simple trick, and it will boost your self-confidence, self-esteem, which we are lacking right now due to the stress, anxiety, fear currently prevailing due to this coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. So this is the best way to elevate yourself, to get to a next level, to improve your personality, to build the self-confidence, to have the public speaking skills. Practice this almost each and every day. Practice about 15 to 20 days, and what you will find that you will become an expert in delivering your message and focusing at that particular topic and speaking about it. You now don't need to prepare any script or just spend time on getting the words or phrases out. You can just make that content on that particular topic and deliver it on consistent basis, on regular basis. And first, while you make this content, you can share with your friends or normal local people. But when you find that you are improving by making this a habit, what you can do, you can share that on social media. You can share on social media such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. In that way you can build your own audience also, and you can impact other people's life also. So in that way you will find more confidence in yourself, and you will be able to get rid of anxiety, fear of public speaking and all that, and you will become your greatest version. So this is the correct time, right? Make use of this time as a perfect time, right? Don't focus on the things which let you down, but focus on things which you can improve and which will help you to become better. So in this way you can improve your self-confidence, your self-esteem, your vocabulary, your English, your public speaking skill, right? Your personality, right? So I hope this helps. If you are new, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. I am thankful to Mr. Himish Madan. He has made a video on this, and I will be sharing this video to him also, that I have prepared this. He has posted a challenge on his channel that if someone finds this useful, the video prepared by him as useful, he or she can share on social media and can convey the message that has helped the people to become better, right? So see you in the next video. Till then, bye, peace.